but it's not that easy either. So to fix this, let's replace the rollers. So this is a Pella window, probably made in the mid-90s or so. And let me show you the kit and the tools that we're going to use to swap out these rollers and hopefully make it just glide. The tools that we need to use to swap this out is a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. So this is the kit that I got on Amazon. It was roughly 20 bucks or so, and it comes with both sets of rollers. I'll put the link in the description. And it comes with 2 wheels. And that's pretty much them. So to start, we have to remove this this panel here, which is just held in with these little clips. And then the whole panel comes out. On the outside, there's these 2 bump stops, one at the bottom and one at the top. Those we gotta take out. So this one still has the rubber cover on it, so we'll just pop that off. And then there's 2 Phillips screws in here. I've already had this off, so these are loose. So those unscrew and just pops off. Same thing at the top. Now we can slide the door all the way open. Now you do have to reach in here and lock the door so that we get enough room for this to slide all the way back. Now with the door all the way back, we have access to down here to get this guide out. And that pops out. Now with the guide out, we can get the door out, so the bottom has to lift up and back. And then the top can rotate out. Now we have access to the rollers. Before we pop these rollers out, I do want to get a rough dimension. And this one here is super knackered. The back one is better, so we'll base it off this back one here. So this back one, we're getting a measure of roughly, that's 3/8. Let's pop these out. Pop them out just using the flathead screwdriver and just kind of working them out. That one's not terrible. It's also not good, but not terrible. This one is real messed up. So that definitely needed to be replaced. To set our heights on the new ones going in, we need it to be at 3/8. Set that to 3/8. And that one looks pretty good. So I'll leave that one be. And that one looks like it's through at 3/8 too. If we would need to adjust this, we would spin this in or out. Spin it in, brings it down. Just pulling it out, brings it up. Alright, now we can put our new ones back in, and we just have to remember that the screw head goes towards the outside of the doors. So this is the closing side. Screw head goes down. Perfect. I think we're ready to rehang the door. Let's stand it up and see how well we did. Make sure it's back on the roller. Wow. That's pretty fantastic already. Alright, before we put our blocks back in, just want to check and see how well it rolls. I mean, This door has never rolled that easy before. Hopefully we can get another 30 years out of it. I doubt it. Alright, let's walk around the house, unlock the door, and then put our blocks in. I guess remember to keep it unlocked, but let's put our blocks in there. Just the reverse of pulling it all apart. This will go in first. That one seems stripped. And our rubber bumper. Alright, that'll do it for this. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so. Helps us out and we get to see some cool stuff. Till next time, take care.